In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. Creating a LinkedIn profile is a fantastic way to network professionally, discover job opportunities, and build your career. If you're new to LinkedIn or just need a refresher, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in then. First up, you'll need to head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll see a couple of options for getting started. You can either sign in with Google or continue with your email account. Occasionally, LinkedIn implements an additional security measure by asking you to complete a CAPTCHA, ensuring that it's really you trying to sign in and not a robot. Now let's get signed in. If you're already using a Google account for other services, it might be convenient to sign in with Google to streamline your logins. Alternatively, you can use any email address you prefer. This flexibility ensures you can access LinkedIn in a way that's most comfortable and convenient for you. After choosing your sign-in method, LinkedIn will want to verify your identity. This can be done through a code sent to your phone or by completing a CAPTCHA verification. This is a crucial step to protect your new account and ensure that your LinkedIn experience is secure from the start. Next, you'll start building your profile. LinkedIn will ask you a series of questions about your current employment status, what kind of roles you're interested in, your past work experience, and why you want to join LinkedIn. It's important to answer these questions thoughtfully and accurately, as they play a crucial role in shaping your profile. This information helps LinkedIn tailor your experience, offering you connections, job opportunities, and content that align with your professional interests and goals. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is your digital resume and a window into your professional persona. It's worth taking the time to ensure that everything you enter is up to date and reflects your career and aspirations accurately. The information you provide helps LinkedIn's algorithms connect you with the right opportunities and the right people. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now on your way to building a strong LinkedIn profile that can open doors to countless professional opportunities. Remember, LinkedIn is more than just a job search site. It's a powerful networking tool that can significantly impact your career development. Take advantage of the platform by engaging with content, joining discussions, and connecting with professionals in your field. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn profile and leveraging the platform to advance your career. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.